Hey, good morning to you and welcome to the Iron Horse Route. This is Brian coming to you with a super important announcement video about 4 videos and when they're going to come out, but one is very important. That's today's Community Roundhouse episode. Today's Community Roundhouse episode 3 featuring Digger Evans is going to premiere at 6 p.m. and it was supposed to premiere over on Cousin Benny BNSF 6951's channel. Cousin Vinny's not feeling good, and we're not sure if he's going to be able to be there for the upload, so we're going to go ahead and move the upload over to Schuylkill River Valley's channel. That's John's channel. So the Community Roundhouse Episode 3, rather than being uploaded to Cousin Vinny BNSF 6951's channel today at 6 p.m., is going to be uploaded to Schuylkill River Valley channel. That's John's channel at 6 p.m. for the premiere. It's featuring Digger Evans. We got lots of good stuff in there for y'all today. It's a great episode, episode 3. Make sure you show up at 6 p.m. Eastern, again on Schuylkill River Valley's channel. I got a card right here, right now to his channel. Go ahead, click over there. Go to your subs, set the reminder, whatever. We look forward to seeing you there. Also about my stuff, okay? The Iron Horse Route, home of the Denver and Rio Grande Western. What we got going on over here is I got 3 videos going to be coming out soon, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about those so you can look out for them. All right? This week, we're going to have part 2 of the T-Loop. All right, where I finished up the track work, laid the Pico Flex, 3 different Pico turnouts, all this stuff in here over on this side, got trains running in that video. That's going to be coming up this week. I've also got a video coming out real soon about locomotive and freight car maintenance and upgrades, as well as lubrication. All right, from top to bottom, cleaning them, doing new wheels, cleaning the trucks, lubricating, cleaning the gears, all that good stuff. Disassembly, reassembly, tests, all that stuff. That video is going to be coming out in a couple weeks, all right? We also got a video going to be coming out in a couple weeks as well about my new scenery that I've done over here on the Helix. Going to try to make the Helix look like it's going into a mountain or being enveloped by a mountain. I got a lot of work going on over here. I got about 20 pounds of homemade Sculptamold on there. They call me Simon Jr. now, you know what I'm saying? So, looking forward to showing you how I did that. I've been excited. We got a virus going around everybody. I hope everybody's taking care of themselves. Hope everybody's washing their hands, staying inside, not doing any necessary traveling. And I hope everybody is doing plenty of modeling during this time that we're stuck at home, shooting plenty of videos, watching plenty of videos, commenting on plenty of videos. I look forward to seeing y'all tonight over on John's channel, Schuylkill River Valley, 6 p.m. Eastern Time for the premiere of the Community Roundhouse Episode 3, where we welcome a new team member. That's Mark and M&M Rails. And we've got Digger coming in from across the pond for the live interview. Well, as Monster Railroad on the look back and other guys that we always know. We've got people who found Jerry. We got people who found Roy. We got some featured layout videos and photos. We encourage y'all to be there. I look forward to seeing y'all then. This is the Brian with the Iron Horse Route, home of the Denver and Rio Grande Western. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Like this video, comment on this video, let me know you're going to be there. We can chat a little bit today. Until then, good to talk to y'all. I look forward to seeing y'all tonight. Take care, everybody. One more thing from you. If you haven't already, I need you to click right here, or click here, or here, or here, anywhere to stick around. Just stick around.